Market, Boughton. We've been here a week, just over a week.
Yeah.
A week yesterday.
Lovely place.
It is. Highly recommend.
Some nice moorings.
The moorings, the first lot of moorings were the best, weren't they?
Got the sun.
Yeah, we got lots of sun.
It was just out, like half a mile just out of it.
Yeah.
But it was alright.
But facilities are all good and some good pubs. Morning. Highly recommend. Yeah. Nomad at 63. Yeah. So literally come to the bridge, turn right, and it's a lovely wine bar, beers.
Around the back of it.
Yeah, sharing boards, and it's. Oh yeah, they have a soiree as they call it. I think it's once a month, but you have to check on their Facebook page. I think that they're on Instagram as well. But yeah, we've thoroughly enjoyed it. You looking, Max? I don't believe I cut your hair yesterday, did you? Still can't see out of it.
The smell of it better though, makes better. 1 minute left on the washer.
Yeah.
Boat just pulled out of it, going our way.
So you didn't get in front of him to go up the locks?
Yeah.
Oh, he's miles down there.
Just pulled out.
Oh.
Morning. Right. This is
Watching next. With their mummy and daddy? Oh, they're not. They're only little still. They're a bit bigger. Such beautiful countryside.
2 more bridges in the lot.
See, now I've got. There's one bridge just up here. She's doing well today. She's not stopping. I'm saying that. And she's still behind me. Look, Max. Come on then. No, she's waiting. She hates it when we're not all together. Come on. Oh, careful. These buttercups, they look so pretty. And the dandelions. They've all gone to seed now. Very pretty. Where are you going? Where are you going, Max? on then.
Big mushroom there. Massive white mushroom there. Good.
Let's have a look, Mix. Not sure. I'm not sure. It looks like one you can eat, but I'm not risking it. It looks like one you can eat. I know. That boat's just coming up, isn't it? Yeah. There's rings on here. Rings. Let's go and open this up. Just realised I need to dub in my boots later. I think they've had some hammer lately, and I've not looked after them as well as I should have done. A bit damp. Yep, it's setting our way still. So it's first one of 5. And we're at Audlem Top Rock. Max is doing good, just waiting. I just dropped the lead and she just stops where she is.
Don't know one. Oh, no. Don't you? The finger goes round you, so it makes it.
Yeah, she's alright. She does as she's told these days, and drop the lead and she don't move. Nettie being good, waiting the other side.
The leaky ones up there.
I don't think I've been in one lot. It's got something wrong with
The
it.
top one, the first one, the completely.
Oh, is it?
Nothing. Nothing leaking through it. But every other one, you can see.
Some on the Audlem, there's one that fills up quicker than into the empties.
That's right, yeah, it was that. That's all of them.
Yeah. You gotta have a good break before that.
I think they're both coming through these ways. Yeah, stay there. Thanks very much.
You're good.
No, it's not. Blue sky coming over.
Thank you.
I like your optimism. It's called a bywash. Blue sky there, but above us is rain.
No, we're right on the edge of it.
We are, because we're still getting wet, but you can look at that, beautiful up there.
Nothing near anything.
Right, no, because I bet just further under the bridge there'll be some. You're going to do it again and just wang it into reverse. Have to get into reverse again.
Yeah, they've got another storm coming in there.
Yep, definitely a storm coming up there. But perfect mooring.
Hi, Mexi here. Thanks ever so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and also hit the bell so that you'll know when we put the next vlog on. And don't forget to leave comments because we love to read the comments.